Look at this toolbar on the left. This is where the magic happens. You've got your navigation buttons, home page, PDF page, and notes page. You can view pages in single or double page view. Double page is perfect for those wide tables comparing treatment approaches or differential diagnoses. Below that are your annotation tools, absolutely crucial for med school. The selection tool helps you grab and move things. The pen tool is great for writing quick mnemonics or drawing pathways. I'm looking at you, urea cycle. Adjust thickness and color to create your own visual hierarchy. The highlighter tool is your bread and butter. Highlight those high-yield facts that always show up on exams. You can change the opacity and color to create your own system. Maybe yellow for symptoms, green for treatments, blue for mechanisms. Made a mistake? The eraser tool's got your back. Want to change the background color for easier reading? Choose from themes like deep blue or dark brown to reduce eye strain during marathon study sessions. And of course, you can zoom in on those microscopic histology images or tiny footnotes, then zoom out to see the big picture. Use the Fit to Screen button when you want to see the entire page at once. All these tools are designed for how medical students actually study, because highlighting everything important in your pathoma is basically a med school rite of passage.